In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly why your Temu referral code is not working, and I will also explain to you exactly how to fix this issue. So if this is something that you want to be able to actually fix, well then keep watching. So the most common reason right now for your Temu referral code not working, well then actually it's most likely because you have now exceeded new user limit on your Temu account. So you're not able to actually invite any more users. But if you want to be able to fix this problem, well then what you're going to do is to go into Temu and then you're going to log into your Temu account. And now you should be taken to this page right here. Now what you're going to do is to locate where it says support right here. So click on support. Then click on chat with Temu, as you can see. And now we should be taken to this page right here. Now what you're going to do is to write like this to the Temu support. My referral code is not working anymore. Please fix this for my account. And make sure that you actually write from the exact account that you want to be able to fix it for, basically. So if this specific account right now that you're logged in is not the correct account, then make sure to log into that correct account instead so that you can actually make this work. So you're going to write like this to them, then you're going to wait for a support agent to actually join the chat, and then hopefully they will be able to help you with this issue. So this is exactly how to fix that your referral Temu code is not working.